The deep decarbonization of aviation industry is one of the biggest technological challenge where electrification already failed to meet the demanding requirements. We believe that the future of aviation is the green hydrogen. The aviation giants such as Airbus and Rolls-Royce recently introduced their hydrogen-powered jet engine. Other sectors are also exploring hydrogen-based combustion applications. Herein, we are proposing hydrogen-based twin jet engine-powered high-speed and high-altitude drone. By selecting the thrust-to-weight ratio of zero point 0.3 and 700 bars hydrogen storage pressure, the drone can maneuver at speeds of 200 to 500 kilometers per hour with expected payload of 6 to 10 kg, and the service ceiling can be 1 to 2 kilometers. We are proposing a drone with big trapezoidal wings to increase storage volume, improve lift, and short runways. Based on our previous experience with hydrogen combustion and successful commercialization, we are confident that we can convert jet engine to hydrogen fuel. The full spectrum of this project includes three stages that are engine conversion, lightweight tank development, and the flight testing. The prize money will be used for first stage, and the successful conduct of the first stage will pave the way towards our dream endeavor. I am Dr. Muhammad Shakil Ahmed from Power Energy Dedicated Advanced Center, and we take the pride to pioneer hydrogen combustion research in Malaysia. Thank you very much.